Alright, this is Euclid Book 3, proposition number 13, part 2. We now have another circle over here. It is labeled JCK. And it's supposed to touch circle ABD at just one point, even though they're external. Now, we already proved that if you draw a circle within another circle, okay, we drew this circle here, and it was supposed to be inside of this circle right here. If a circle is drawn within another circle, it will only touch at one point. And if it touches at more than one point, it will produce some absurd results, which we explained in the last video. Alright, now, circle ABD and circle JCK are supposed to meet at one point, and they're drawn outside of one another. They're not inside one another, they're drawn outside of one another. Okay, now Euclid says, let's suppose it were possible for circle ABD and JCK to touch at more than one point. So the points are J and C. Now, Euclid says by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 2, that you could draw a line from J to C, and that JC will fall within both of these circles. So far, so good. Problem is that JC is inside of JCK, but not ABD, which of course is absurd because you can see that it's inside both of these circles. And since it's produced an absurd amount, then we have to say that if you're to draw one circle over here and one circle over here, they're not within one another. They're going to touch at just one point, because if they touch at more than one point, they'll produce some absurd results. And that's what Euclid was wanting you to prove. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.